Once upon a time, deep in the ocean blue, there was a bustling community of sea animals. Among them were Sammy the Seahorse, Dolly the Dolphin, Terry the Turtle, and Gary the Giant Squid. They all lived in harmony, each with their own unique traits and personalities. Sammy the Seahorse was known for his vibrant colors and graceful movements. He loved to explore the coral reefs, swaying gently with the currents as he searched for food. Dolly the Dolphin was a playful creature, always flipping and twirling in the water, entertaining her friends with her acrobatic skills. Terry the Turtle was the oldest member of the community. He had seen many things in his long life and was always ready to offer wise advice to the younger sea animals. Gary the Giant Squid was the largest of them all, with long tentacles that he used to catch his prey. Despite his intimidating appearance, Gary was actually quite gentle and friendly. One day, a great storm swept through the ocean, stirring up the waters and causing chaos among the sea animals. The currents were strong, and many of them struggled to swim against them. Sammy, Dolly, Terry, and Gary knew they had to work together to survive. Sammy used his slender body to navigate through the swirling waters, leading the others to calmer seas. Dolly leaped and danced, creating a path for them to follow. Terry stayed close to the younger sea animals, guiding them with his steady pace. Gary used his strength to shield them from the debris that was tossed about by the storm. After what seemed like an eternity, the storm finally passed, and the sea animals emerged from the turmoil, tired but unharmed. They had survived the ordeal by working together and relying on each other's strengths. As they swam back to their homes, Sammy, Dolly, Terry, and Gary reflected on the experience. They realized that no matter how big or small, fast or slow, they were all important members of their community, and by working together, they could overcome any challenge that came their way. From that day on, the sea animals were even closer than before, sharing their adventures and supporting each other through thick and thin. And as they swam through the vast ocean, they knew that they were not just a group of sea animals, but a family united by their bond and their love for the sea.